Today is Mother's Day, so heading down to see Mum, but got a few things to do before that. One of which is fixing my car because it sounds like this. That's not normal. Well, Dad wasn't home, so I didn't get that second opinion that I was hoping for on the car. Bit hard to do Mother's Day as well when your mother's not home. But now off to record the podcast, and then I'll drop in afterwards. Maybe I'll get a second opinion from the lads on the car. Broadman, I need your opinion.
My opinion.
What do you think of this?
That's not bad.
It's not meant to sound like that.
It sounds like we're in a much bigger car. Fuck yeah.
Podcast is finished, Cane Dogs. How'd we go?
Sorry, what?
Podcast is finished.
It went great.
Detective Pikachu.
It went, yeah.
Before you go, I need your opinion on something.
Okay.
Okay, let me know what you think of this.
I think it's safe and you should drive it all the time. Oh, you bought a bike? You own a bike, yeah?
I do own a bike.
I think ride the bike from now on.
Grocery shopping with Mum on
Great
Mother's Day.
Woo! Better get back and cook it before it's midnight. Oh, we didn't even get any pictures those days.
Save a bit of money.
Wait on. Too far,
So cool. Finally have Dad. It's a bit dark, but still gonna show you. I need your professional opinion. I've gotten Brody's and Jordan's professional opinion.
Right, okay. Is the car going to blow up? Is that the that's shit.
Brody thought it was really cool.